Ready?
1, 2, 3. Well, it's not a flirting bench, trust me. I'm about due for a glass of red wine, but sorry. I'm sorry. I was told to be quiet.
We're
We
Price
are Price
and
and
Tammy
Tammy
Woodward,
Woodward,
and this is our moving story.
We were just had an active lifestyle. Just for kicks and giggles, I climbed Mount Rainier once with some friends who just asked me to, and I said, sure, what is it? I didn't even know what it was. So we were always up for something that involved being active and going. Both of us ran 14 marathons in 14 years.
We were always working out. We had a gym in our home, and we just full speed.
In January of 2015, at 52 years of age, I had a pretty massive stroke, and at that time I was running 40 miles a week. And so after my stroke, I was in a wheelchair for a year. And I finally got up out of that wheelchair and walked with a cane, got my driver's license back, and I realized I was gonna have to reinvent myself.
Coming to Reynolds was a fresh chapter, a clean slate. It's so easy to meet people here, whether you're on the tennis court or at the pool or in the clubhouse or at one of the awesome events that they have. They do a great job of keeping us social here.
We had too many blessings to be down in the dumps and crying in our grits. We just had to say, look, I'm still alive, and we have so many blessings, and God's been so good to us that we just had to figure out a way to have fun in a different way and stay busy in a different way. We do life together. And when you do life together, you build relationships that are strong and stand the test of time. And you would do anything for anybody that you loved and cared about and you enjoyed doing life with.
We laugh, we say we built our home around our wine cellar. We have it right smack dab in the middle, so we don't forget to have our glass of wine at night. And we are on the lake, and so we have a beautiful view of the lake, and we've really enjoyed that. So glass all the way across the back of the house, and we're able to have a pool and the beautiful view of the lake.
We don't travel quite as much as we used to. We used to travel quite a bit because we live in a destination. There's just anything you want to do to enjoy life, you can do it here. You can get on the water, you can get on the golf course, on the tennis course, you can go ride your bike, go run.
You know, our life did change, but it was for the better, and we are completely content living here. It's everything that anyone could ever dream of.